What's going on, traders? Today is Tuesday, May 26th. Market is currently very high right now, opening above $300. We'll see if it wants to hold. My guess it will. I'm not going to look to take that many short positions today because I don't want to be going short against this market, but there are a few stocks that have short potential. With that said, I will be looking for stocks to go long at. Market opens up in about 1 minute and 40 seconds. Okay, market is open. We'll see how it wants to react. Okay, I like Facebook here over 239, pretty much a 240. All right, I'm gonna hop in there. I'm in for 10 shares at 239.67. Looking for that break of 240. Stop is at the lows at around 238.60. So looking for around $1 a share. My first partial. There's a break of 240. Nice. Quick little pop there. Holding 240, nice, looking like it wants to come down a little bit. Market's pretty volatile here. A lot of selling pressure, people taking profits from the weekend. Right now, just watching the buyers to see if they want to step up and take 240. Okay, there's 240 for a second. There it goes. Okay, it should hold 240 now. Buyers should be stepping up. There you go. Market's testing VWAP here, see if it wants to break over. Just patiently waiting. Okay, looking like I'm going to have to cover Facebook here. Okay, sold. All right, I'm all at Facebook there for a $12 loser. Not the best way to start the morning, but I think people are still taking profits. I'll pause it here and take a trade once I find something. Just an update on Facebook. It came back up, which is pretty frustrating to see, but it happens. And I'd rather, in hindsight, you never know if it's going to do that, but it is a little frustrating to see. All right, I'm going to look at ROKU here for a short position under about 109. All right, I'm gonna pull the trigger there. I think it wants to come under 109. I'm in at 109.14. Stop is going to be around 109.64, looking for around 50 cents a share. Looking for that break of 109. Okay, there's a break of 109. All right, getting ready to take my partial once it comes back under. Okay, getting ready to take my partial first on a pullback. Now, I just took a partial, took 8 shares off there, still have 2 shares left on the table. We'll like to see it come down. I'm going to put a stop at pretty much just above break even, so we'll see if these 2 shares want to run for me. All right, I'm watching Facebook at here at around over 240.45. All right, I'm in 10 shares at 240.53. Want to see it make new highs. Stop is around 239.06, so around $1.50 a share I'm looking for. Looking for the market to help kind of buoy it up here. All right, I just got stopped out of my 2 shares of ROKU. There's some good buying pressure on Facebook coming in. There's a lot of sellers, a lot of bag holders who had the stock who are, selling it and taking in profits, and that's just what happens when you have a massive push up out of nowhere with SPY. All right, I'm going to pause it here and see what Facebook wants to do. I will resume once it goes in the other direction. Okay, I took another short position on ROKU. I think it wants to come down under around 108.74. Let's see what it wants to do. All right, I'm going to get out of Facebook here. I'm 0 for 2 on the stock today, not my stock. Yeah, cover there. All right, so I'm down again, down $25 on Facebook for the day. Not going to touch it anymore. It was kind of if you look at the daily, it's pretty extended. So that's my fault if you're not looking at the daily. But it's part of it. Okay, there goes ROKU. Nice. I just took a long position in Boeing. I wanted to get filled at 144.70. I got filled at 144.90, which is okay. But I like the formation it was doing. So I took a long position. That stop is going to be at the lows at around 143.36. It's about $1.60. Looking for profit. We'll see what it wants to do. All right, I'm going to cover out of my Boeing position. Actually, I don't know. All right, I just covered my Boeing position there. Um, so close it for a $3 loser. All right, I'm just going to call it here. So I'm down $3 on Boeing. Facebook, my biggest loser, down $25. 18 cents on 2 trades, and then Roku, I'm up around $14.31. Still have 2 shares open, but yeah. So I'm gonna call it there for today. Today was quite volatile and exhausting, but I'm happy to come out with a relatively small loser. The trades on Facebook, my, the the mistake I made was I didn't check the daily at first. And if you look at the daily, it is so extended. So that's something I need to keep in mind is checking out the dailies. But with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like because this is me trading the market live with real money. Comment down below what you traded, if it was a red or a green day. And of course, subscribe to the channel because every subscription for me is another step on my journey to financial freedom.